Hello friends, I am Avinash Kishwe and today I am going to talk about the circulatory system. The function of the circulatory system is responsible for transporting the blood around the body. It transports nutrients, water and oxygen to your body cells and carries away waste such as carbon dioxide that body cells produce. There are three components of the circulatory system: heart, blood, and the blood vessels. The blood vessels consists of arteries, veins, and capillaries. The heart is an organ that pumps blood throughout the body and supplies oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and removes carbon dioxide and other wastes. The tissues of the body need a constant supply of the nutrition in order to be active. In humans, the heart is roughly the size of a large fist and weighs between 10 to 12 ounces, 280 to 340 grams in men, and 8 to 10 ounces, 230 to 280 in women. A normal resting heart rate for adults ranges from 60 to 100 beats a minute. The heart is slightly tilted to the left side. This is the structure of the heart. How does the heart work? The heart has four chambers, the two atria and the two ventricles. The right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood and the left side contains oxygenated blood. The journey of the heart starts from the right atrium where the deoxygenated blood comes from the superior and inferior vena cava from all over the body and flows through the tricuspid valve, and then it goes to the lungs through pulmonary artery, which will convert deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood. The main function of the valve is to make the blood flow in one direction, or it may also be called as a unidirectional flow. The lung will oxygenate the blood and will come back to the heart through the pulmonary vein to the left atrium and flows through the bicuspid valve to the left ventricle. In the final stage of the circulation, the blood goes through the aortic valve to the aorta and then to the whole body, and the cycle repeats again and again. The important feature of the left ventricle is that its wall is thick because it pumps blood to the whole body. There are three types of vessels which take place in the circulatory system: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Um, Capillaries link arterioles to veins. Veins carry blood towards the heart. Arteries are large vessels. They carry blood from the heart to the tissues of the body. They carry oxygen-rich blood, with an exception of pulmonary arteries. They have thick walls which withstand pressure produced when heart pushes blood into them. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. Their walls are only one cell thick and are very narrow. They bring nutrients and oxygen to the tissues and absorb carbon dioxide and other wastes. Veins. Once blood has passed through the capillary system, it must be returned to the heart. It is done by veins. Walls contain connective tissues and smooth muscle, many found near skeletal muscles. When muscles contract, blood is forced through the veins. There are three types of circulation of blood: systematic circulation, coronary circulation, and pulmonary circulation. Systematic circulation. Systematic circulation refers to the circulation of the blood in which oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to the body, and deoxygenated blood is returned back to the heart. Systematic circulation occurs between the heart and the entire body. When the deoxygenated blood from the systematic circuit it enters your heart right atrium, flows through a one-way valve into right ventricle and gets pushed through another one-way valve to the re-enter the pulmonary circuit and head for the lungs. Pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation refers to the circulation of the blood in which Deoxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to the lungs, and oxygenated blood is returned back to the heart. Pulmonary circulation occurs only between the heart and the lungs. Oxygenated blood then passes from the capillary beds through venules into the pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins transport it to the left atrium of the heart. Coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is the circulation of the blood in the blood vessels of the heart muscle myocardium. A coronary artery is the artery which supplies blood to the heart. These are some diseases related to the circulatory system. High blood pressure is happens when the force of the blood is higher than normal, also called as hypertension. Heart attack. It occurs when no enough blood reaches the heart. Coronary artery disease. It occurs when plaque build up on the walls of the artery and eventually blocks the blood.